Welcome to Airline Commander. This is a full flight, this one, between Singapore and Cebu City. Let's do it. I have taken hard simulation. Tap on it so that movie is this one. Switch on the engine switches and manually start the engines. Give a little throttle so that airplane starts to move. Sometimes interruptions like this are there so as to allow other aircrafts to move. We are taxiing down to the runway. Give the throttle and make the airplane move forward again. I think we'll be asked to stop once more. Yeah, as I expected. Oh, what is this? Our fourth stop, maybe? Slow down the aircraft well before the mark so that you don't overshoot it and get fined. Now that we have reached the runway, wait for the signal. In the meanwhile, lower the flaps, which helps us in taking off smoothly. Now we are clear for takeoff. Increase the throttle to about half the way. Check it out here. It says VR is 145, which means we need to get a speed of 145 knots before the airplane can be lift off, can take off. Increase a little more, give a little more throttle. Now VR is 105, 110. Increase the throttle to the max. 142. Yes, now we can have a takeoff. Slightly tilt the mobile so that the plane takes off. So, our next target or waypoint is Tokim, and it is at a distance of 8.8 miles or nautical miles, and we have to reach that at an altitude of 1700 feet. Now raise the flaps and also retract the wheels. Yes, now the takeoff procedure is completed. We have to get ready for landing. So the first waypoint is E1 at a distance of 1.3, and we should be at an altitude of 4900 feet. Altitude is fine. Now next waypoint is E2 at an altitude of 1900. So we need to descend quickly. Next is E3 at 1000. Reduce the speed. We need to get velo at 250 or less for the wheels to engage. So reduce the speed by applying brakes. Okay, 250 is touched. So engage the wheels. and also reduce the speed. So now VREF says 140, which means perfect touchdown will happen at 140 knots. Yes, that's a perfect landing. There are four types of landing. One which is very horrible that you don't get any points for landing. One is slightly rough landing. One is soft landing and other is perfect landing. For perfect landing you get full points. That's the end of this full flight. Collect your prize money. See you soon.